Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a beautiful personalized card for any occasion, maybe a birthday, a thank you, or just to send someone a smile, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through making a custom card in Canva, even if you're brand new to Canva or design in general. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting template, tweak it to match your personality, and save your card for print or sharing online. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already set up a free account, don't worry, it takes just a minute and then you're in. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look around for the Create button. It's usually right up at the top. Give it a click and you'll see a bunch of options pop up. In the search bar, type in Folded Card Landscape. This is really important because Canva has a ton of formats and sizes, and searching for Folded Card Landscape ensures you're starting with a proper card layout, perfect for printing or sending digitally. Think of it like choosing the right blank canvas before you start painting. Now, once you search for Folded Card Landscape, you'll see a ton of template options appear. This part is honestly one of my favorites because Canva makes it super easy to get inspired with ready-made designs. There are cards for birthdays, holidays, thank yous, you name it. Don't feel overwhelmed by all the choices. Take a moment to scroll and see what catches your eye. And here's a good tip. If you already know the mood or color palette you want, you can filter or search for something more specific. For this tutorial, let's keep things simple and time efficient by picking a template rather than starting from scratch. Templates are fantastic because all the design groundwork like positioning, colors, and font pairings are already done for you. It's kind of like choosing a base recipe and then adding your own special spices to make it unique. When you find a template you like, just click on it. Canva will open it up for you in the design workspace. Now comes the fun part, making the card your own. In Canva, just about every element on the template can be customized. Click on any text box to type your own message. Maybe you want to say happy birthday grandma or thank you teacher instead of what's pre-written. Don't be afraid to play around with fonts or colors. Your changes will show up instantly so you can see what looks best. Then try swapping out any images or graphics. If the template uses a flower photo but you want balloons, just drag in your own image or use one of Canva's free graphics. Little adjustments like this can completely transform the vibe of the card. Take your time with these tweaks. And if you make a mistake or change your mind, no worries, Canva has an easy undo button and nothing is permanent until you download or print. Remember, this part is all about making the card feel personal for whoever's going to receive it. Maybe try matching it to their favorite colors or adding a private joke you share. And that's really it. Once you're happy with your custom card, just hit the download button to save it as a PDF for printing or as an image you can share online. You've now made a truly unique folded card in Canva, ready to brighten someone's day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions about Canva or want to share what kind of card you made, drop a comment below because I'd love to hear about it. And of course, subscribe if you want more easy step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.